Here I have Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to get iPhone keyboard on this device. So as you can see, right now I have like the standard Gboard, Google keyboard, or it's Xiaomi keyboard, but you can actually get the iPhone keyboard. You just have to download this app, Keyboard for iPhone 12 iOS keyboard, from the Play Store. Then you have to open it. Then you have to give permissions to it, all the permissions it requires. Watch some ads. Then you have to enable this keyboard. Here. Then you have to switch keyboard from the Gboard to our iPhone keyboard. And as you can see, now we have this iPhone keyboard. Wow! You can also for example, change its colors. You can change its theme, for example, from black to white, or for the other one from this list. You can set up yourself through this app like iPhone wallpapers. Wow! So basically you can just change the theme here. And as you can see, now I have another theme. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.